Finally, the South African rand firmed to 17.76 against the dollar in early trade, up 0.7% from Monday's close. The rally follows US President Donald Trump's announcement of a ceasefire between Israel and Iran, boosting investor appetite for risk. Moreover, emerging market assets, including the rand, rebounded after Monday's losses. Back home, investors digested new data showing a 0.3% drop in April's leading business index and a 0.7% decline in formal employment for the first quarter. Meanwhile, on the local bourse, the JSE, All Share and the top 40 indices posted gains, with most sectors closing in the green. Financial expert Kabelo Tsula has more on the day's market moves.
On this positive day on the markets, we're seeing most, if not all, the major indices and currencies pointing in the right direction. Maybe starting off with currencies, the rand is significantly firmer and stronger at this level of 17 rand 73 against the US dollar. It's trading also at 20.56 against the euro and 24.13 against pound sterling. This is significantly stronger given that the news which is really driving markets now is that a ceasefire in a very important part of the world, being in the Middle East, certainly from an energy perspective, has been reached. So we're talking about Iran and Israel. So this ceasefire has certainly led to what we call a risk-on environment where emerging markets and even developed markets are pointing positive to this development. Looking at the JSE All Share Index, it's currently trading at a positive 0.78% and led higher by industrials, which are up 1.2%, as well as your financials, which are very strong at 2.3%. Some major winners, as I mentioned, financials, you're seeing the likes of Nedbank up 4.4%, Impala Platinum 3.5%, and First Rand Bank up 3.3%. So some good news really driving markets at this particular point.